Congress launches Haryana Mange Hisab. Huda announces review of Haryana government. Congress to assess 10 years of Haryana governance. The Congress party has unveiled a new initiative called Haryana Mange Hisab to assess the performance of the Haryana government over the past decade. This program, set to commence tomorrow, aims to scrutinize the state administration's achievements and shortcomings during its 10-year tenure. The initiative will focus on reviewing various aspects of governance, including infrastructure development, public services, and economic management. Congress leaders and volunteers will actively engage with residents across Haryana to collect their feedback and grievances about the government's performance. As part of the program, the Congress will raise 15 critical questions related to governance and development. These questions will address key issues such as employment generation, healthcare, education, and law and order. The goal is to highlight what the Congress party considers to be failures and unfulfilled promises of the ruling administration.
हरियाणा मांगे हिसाब 10 साल का क्या किया इन्होंने, 15 सवाल हमने खड़े किए हैं, उसका जवाब मांगने हैं और ये बात हम घर घर तक ले जाएंगे। इस सरकार की विफलताएं और ये जो है हमारे जो कार्यक्रम वो और जो हमारे एक गारंटी का हो या जो हमने वादा किया है वो चीजें घर घर तक लेके जाएंगे।
The Haryana Mange Hisab program will involve Congress members visiting households, organizing community meetings, and using media platforms to inform the public about the government's alleged shortcomings. This effort is intended to foster a meaningful dialogue with citizens about their experiences and expectations from the government. The initiative reflects the Congress party's strategy to leverage dissatisfaction with the current administration and consolidate support ahead of future elections. By focusing on the perceived failures of the government, the party aims to build a case for its political agenda and rally voters around its platform. The success and impact of Haryana Mange Hisab will be closely monitored, as it could significantly influence the political dynamics in Haryana in the months to come. News Desk reports such the reality.